in Winter Park, Orlando. I'm going to pick up my bike and start riding.
Just the bike, right?
Yep,
All
just
right,
bike.
good.
Thank you.
All right, see ya.
I'm gonna spend 4 days in Central Florida, going to ride around the Lake Apopka, and then I'm gonna take the Van Fleet Trail to towards Lakeland. But right now, heading to the Magnolia Campground. So cool. How do you like that? City of Winter Park. Heading to Magnolia Campground, which is 15 miles away. Magnolia Campground is in next to Lake Apopka. It's beautiful there. Is that new Corvette? I think so. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm going by the back roads. I'm gonna stop here at 7-Eleven. I'm now on West Orange Trail. West Orange Trail is part of Coast to Coast Trail. It's a nice ride here at West Orange Trail. And look at that, pretty cool. West Orange Trail is a beautiful trail. Easy to ride. I have arrived in Magnolia Park. This is my second time camping here. It's a beautiful park. Highly recommend. Speed limit 11.5. That's funny. That's what it is. It has a lot of space. Tent is up and I am ready to eat. I made food and getting ready for the night. Such a nice place with that. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Heading out. Good morning. Heading out of Magnolia Park. That's the Lake Apopka Loop Trail. Starts from here and heading around the lake. Here you go, Lake Apopka Wildlife Area. I see the harrier back there. That's the harrier. Northern harrier. Yeah, definitely a harrier. Osprey. Osprey is checking around, yeah, just enjoying the morning sun. Such a cool area. That's a blue grosbeak. That's the female. Male would be blue. But yeah, that's the blue grosbeak. Oop, took off. Yeah, that's how Anhingas drying their wings because they don't have that pigment to keep the wings dry when they dive. Yeah, a couple more there. Cool birds. Yeah, lots of birds. That's a palm warblers, house wrens. House wrens singing. These are palm warblers. A red-winged blackbird right close by. Hello, Bobcat. How you doing? Doing all right? Uh-huh. Don't worry. I'm pretty friendly. Wow. This is such a cool sighting. Wow, that was incredible. Walked right in front of me. Too bad that my GoPro wasn't on, but I had my little camera on. That was incredible sighting. Oh, look at that. Oh man, there's a mottled ducks actually. And there's some hinga, common cardinals, all kinds of stuff. And the great egret is on the road. I can see it. Now, most of these birds are flying over the road. Those tiny ones, those are all palm warblers. Oh, look at that! Do you see that bird flying? That's actually American bittern. Look at that. Great egret and then hinga. Lake Apopka historical pump house is coming up. There it is. Lake Apopka pump house. A lot of common cardinals. Look at that. They are everywhere. That's the juvenile common cardinal. See, it doesn't have the yellow or red on the face. And who we have there? Great blue heron. Preening. Yep, you gotta keep your feathers in order. Hey, I'm here, look at me. You are not paying attention to me at all. Alright, I'll leave you alone. White-billed crepes. And they're back. Actually, not all of them living. Some staying over the summer. Oh, third one showed up too. Whole bunch of them. So cool. And then we have an hinga and great blue heron there. Any alligators? Is that the alligator? It definitely is. Yep, my first alligator for the day. I'm expecting to see them a lot. Great egret is looking out of the wildflowers. He's coming to the road. Yep, great egret. I'm not in a hurry today. I'm just checking out the birds and wildlife and just going slowly. Some kind of info. Aquatic plants of the Lake of Apopka, North Shore. So it looks like now I'm turning towards west or south. Yeah, now I'm going south. I can't see the water from here, but it's back there. Entering Lake County. Okay, I have to close up my checklist, the birds, and then start the new checklist for Lake County. A whole bunch of turkey vultures. Hey, I'm coming through. No, wrong place to land. Oh yeah. Those are pumps. I guess they regulate the water, pumping water from one side to another. I'm gonna take this road and head into the observation tower. Northern Harrier. That's another one. See the white in the back. Yep. Northern Harrier. That's that old bird. Juveniles are white. A whole bunch of turkey vultures. Yep, a whole bunch of turkey vultures on the road. Going to the observation tower. So that observation tower is supposed to be somewhere here. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. There it is. Perfect. Don't feed the alligators. Sure. Not much view from here, but still. It's far away, but I can actually see the purple cardinal and the glossy ibis. Let me move. I don't have to carry all the bags. I left everything in the campground. I continue right now. So from here you can't see the lake, but I'm on the west side of Lake Apopka. Green Mountain scenic overlook and trailhead. Okay, let's see how scenic is this. That's the observation tower. Second one. Oh, nice. Look at that. They actually have a trail there. Lake Apopka is somewhere back there. Pretty far out. So now I got out of this trail. It's gonna be a road. Bikes can use the full lane. I use on the side. Now it's gonna be an old trail. No more gravel. Nice view from here. And look at this bike trail. It's wide. Very nice. Going over the turnpike. That's the turnpike. So, what they're doing? I think they're gonna build more houses here. They're leveling the last hills. Florida is not that flat. You still have to make it more flatter. And that's what they're doing, making it more flatter. Lake County is actually one of the most hilliest counties in Florida, in my opinion. Look at that. It's pretty hilly. This one is called South Lake Trail. It goes southern portion of Lake Apopka. I remember this spot. Yep, crossing over to the other side. I remember this spot. Been here 3-4 times. West Orange Trail starts from here, and South Lake Trail ends, and that's the place to stop. Oh yeah, been here many times. Really cool, beautiful. West Orange Trail, really cool. That's the overpass. It's a winter garden, and the winter garden is the outskirts of Orlando. Oakland, 1887. That's when it was established. Magnolia Park.
600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
I have completed the Lake Apopka Loop Trail. Okay, I have accomplished the Lake Apopka Loop Trail. And I'm back now. Perfect, I'm back. Oh, let me see how many miles I did. 44. Yep, 44 miles. Tomorrow I'm heading to Lakeland. I'm gonna take the Van Fleet Trail, which is the most straight, most rural trail in Florida. So I've done it a couple of times. One of my favorite trails actually. Tomorrow's gonna be like 70 plus miles. So it's gonna be a full day. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. See you then.